I think this is yours. Yeah. I brought it for you.
But is there an engagement? Oh wait, it's my boss ring still.
Today we're fishing with Justin and Gabe. We're on our way to meet up with Captain Jay from Amity Fishing Charters and Esperanza Vieques in Puerto Rico. So stay tuned, we're gonna try to get on some fish.
Back to normal now, it just takes one good rain. And it seems to be baby boy. He got hired, he used a rubber treaded bobcat to bring the stuff and the guys up. He's got a budget. So it's definitely, there he is.
There he is. What you need?
The fish we're going to keep, I'm going to ask one of you guys to take that lid off the cooler, and as soon as I bring a clear path between the fish and the water in the cooler, and then we'll put the lid on it and we'll mess with him once he's dead. Tough fish. It could be an African pompano or a jack, is my best guess. Something like jack. Ah, you motherfucker! Oh shit. Yeah, something hit the fucking
Damn it.
knot. God damn it. Moving through the water. Something hit the knot. The bubble, the knot makes enough of a bubble where it's
Something popped up.
track. I feel that's all shaved.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. You're looking down on the seabirds. I see that like almost 90-degree ledge. I saw more than one.
We sadly weren't able to hook back up with the fish that we lost, but not for a lack of effort. We trolled for another 2 hours in hopes of catching another fish, but it just wasn't in the cards for us. But hey, that's fishing. We had a great time, and this guy was not only a badass fisherman, but he was a kind dude and a wealth of knowledge. If you guys want to check him out, I'll leave a link below to all of his charter information, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.
That's basically a floating Winnebago. There's a million sport fishing boats in the city of Puerto Rico that don't ever